Dear drivers, welcome to the all-new Torque 03 E-Zone Go-Karting, where adrenaline meets cutting-edge technology. Get ready to take on our 430-meter-long track, packed with unique challenges like a multi-level bridge, sharp U-turns, an exciting uphill climb, downhill sections, and high-speed straights that'll test your reflexes, all powered by our super-fast Sodi electric carts from France, delivering instant torque and a smooth, responsive drive, ushering in a new era of karting that we're proud to introduce here in India. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a first-timer, this track guarantees fun, excitement, and most importantly, safety. Karting is a real motorsport and it carries real risk. We've built this track with the best international safety systems, trained marshals, and take every necessary precaution from our end. But once you're in the kart, you are responsible. Unlike a roller coaster, we do not control the entire ride. Your safety and everyone else's safety depends on how you drive. So please follow these rules, stay alert, and drive responsibly. This is what could happen to you if you don't take care. The videos you just saw are real-time accidents on our track. So please pay attention for a pleasant and safe driving experience. Pregnant guests must not drive. Please spectate and enjoy the view. Safety comes first. Guests with back pain, neck, spine, heart, breathing issues, or any existing injuries are not permitted to drive. Driving under the influence of alcohol or any other illegal substance is strictly forbidden. If any of these conditions apply to you, please return to the desk. Proceeding anyway will result in a disqualification without a refund. Loose clothing is not allowed. Scarves, dupattas, and any head or neck accessories must be removed. Long hair must be tied securely and fully tucked inside the helmet. Pockets must be empty. Mobile phones and electronic devices are not permitted during the race. Items lost or damaged during the session will not be our responsibility. Every driver must wear a tight-fitting helmet and keep it secured, along with a seat belt until the end of the session. Enter the kart from the left or right side. Place one leg on the seat first, then the other. Use the roll bar or steering wheel for support while seating yourself. Our marshals will help you fasten your seat belt. You must keep the seatbelt strapped on until the end of your ride. Please remember, the most important rule in go-karting is that karting is a non-contact sport. This means absolutely no touching or bumping into any other cars, barriers, or our marshals. Any contact can lead to penalties or disqualifications. The most important driving rule in karting is use only one pedal at a time. Use the right leg to accelerate or go forward, it's marked in green. Use the left leg to slow down or stop the go-kart, it's marked in red. Remember, do not use both legs on both pedals at the same time. Your kart will stop or lose control, causing serious accidents on the track. Simple, one at a time so you do not confuse your kart. And always remember, keep both hands on the steering wheel throughout your session, along with your helmet and seat belt too. Never take these off during your ride. No drifting. This will ruin your best lap time and also cause accidents for others behind you. Before any sharp U-turn, slow the kart down using your left leg. Make the turn completely by turning your steering right or left and only then accelerate using the right leg. Again, do not use both legs on both pedals at the same time. And a reminder, do not bump into any other car or barriers because we can give you a slowdown penalty or disqualify you without a refund. We use flags to communicate to the drivers on track. The yellow flag means you need to slow down No overtaking at this time because there could be an accident up ahead. The red flag means stop your kart safely. Do not accelerate or go forward at this time. The green flag indicates that the track is safe and you can continue racing. Remember, always follow marshal's instructions. They are here for your safety. When you see the checkered flag, this means your session is about to come to an end. Your kart will be slowed down, and if you're further away from the pit entry, you can continue driving. Your kart will speed up once again. As you near the pit entry, your kart will be slowed down again, indicating that your session is completed. Please enter the pit lane one by one. There is no need to race here as there are other guests and our marshal's lives at risk. If your kart stops or spins during the session, remain seated with both hands on the steering wheel and never take off your helmet or seatbelt. Do not exit the kart unless instructed by our marshal. This track includes elevation changes and a U-turn immediately after your climb. Do not stop suddenly on the slope as the car can roll back and cause accidents, so continue accelerating at this time. After the uphill climb, there is a downhill section where the power of your kart and gravity may send you flying into our restaurant if you don't slow down. So we have an automated bridge slowdown here, and after you exit the bridge, you will get speed back again. Dear drivers, karting is not about overtaking or bumping. It's about smooth driving and setting your best lap time. So drive clean and you can complete more number of laps. Unsafe driving may result in warnings, time penalties, or disqualification without a refund. Remember, karting is a non-contact sport. This is not bumper cars. So head downstairs and get ready to race. Your safety and the safety of others is in your hands.